The KTM-owned Swedish motorcycle making brand Husqvarna announced its India entry with the Svartpilen and Vitpilen 250. Both the bikes created quite a buzz at the IBW 2019. The one that we have with us today is the Svartpilen 250. So let's take a quick tour of the bike to find out if it's made from the same passion and zest that underpins bike from its parent company. The Svartpilen translates to black arrow in Swedish, while the Vitpilen is called white arrow, and it is not hard to find out why the company has gone with these names, seeing the sharp and minimalistic appeal these huskies carry. Just a short glimpse of the Svartpilen, and it's easy to see that the bike needs your attention, and it's not hard to figure out that it's yet another exemplary design from Kiska designing team that has been churning out those razor sharp KTMs all these years. A large round headlamp takes center stage on the Svartpilen, and it is an all LED unit and comes integrated with DRLs as well. The seat on the other hand flows in from the tank seamlessly, and the rider's perch is large and comfortable. The pillion seat is small and also gets a grab rail. The Svartpilen 250 comes out as an urban scrambler and hence has been given a raised single piece handlebar, mid-set foot pegs, a luggage rack bolted on the fuel tank, and dual-purpose tires with 8-spoke alloys. While the overall design has been carried out rather impressively, but bits like weld marks on additional stay at the handlebar, quality of bolts used, and the wire mesh clearly visible under the frame leaves a little to be desired. Also, the fact that the overall quality is nothing exceptional is another chink in its armor.
So another highlight of the motorcycle is its small, fully digital instrument panel, which gels well with the overall neo-retro theme of the motorcycle and serves the basic purpose. Now, this meter showcases your current speed, the fuel indicator, distance to empty, time, the gear you're slotted in, and there is also an RPM meter on the upper side, which with marking done outside the panel.
The meter console is accompanied by two buttons over the side, which has been programmed as the regular set and browse keys. These are slightly stiffer in action and you need a rather heavy hand to operate these buttons. Now, it is no news that the Husqvarna's 250 twins are based out on the KTM's 250 Duke. So basically, the Huskies get the same 250cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which isn't exactly new. And in this bike, it delivers 30 PS and 24 Nm. And the gearbox is also the same 6-speed unit. You must be living under a rock if you don't know how quick revving and fun this engine is, but over the years, it has sort of become more well-behaved. It only comes alive when you reach the mid-range, and there is a meaty top end as well, thanks to its higher compression ratio. Overall, it is a fun, smooth and responsive engine for a quarter-liter daily riding motorcycle.
Now, if you know Husqvarna, this brand is known for making some of the most fun motorcycles, and the way they set up their motorcycles and the way they tune their suspension has a big role to play in this. Now, this one at the front gets a WPFX USB front fork, which is complemented by a single monoshock unit at the rear. And this is not a setup that's directly taken from the 250 Duke, since it's a more premium one.
The Svartpilen simply glides over everything that the regular city roads can throw at it. The setup is slightly on the stiffer side, but thanks to the overall tuning, it soaks up all the undulations without letting the rider know. And on the other hand, throw a corner at it and you will be all smiles, as the chassis handles the weight transfers well and allows you to really hook around a tight corner with confidence. The overall comfort on the Svartpilen is pretty impressive, but there is only limited room available for you to really tuck in and move to the front or backwards on the seat due to its limited length. Also, not to forget, it has a seat height of 835 mm, which may not be very forgiving for shorter riders, but at the same time, its lightweight and sharper riding dynamics inspire confidence, irrespective of your riding skills.
So the Husqvarna 250 twins have already received a price revision since their launch, and currently they cost at around 1.84 lakh actually in Delhi. Now, if you do a bit of research, you'll find that Husqvarnas are traditionally slightly priced above the corresponding KTMs in the international market. But since this brand is fairly new in the Indian market, the pricing here has been kept quite aggressively. So the Husqvarna Svartpilen 250 is not something that you can take on long tours or go off the roads, even though it has a scrambler stance. It is meant to do urban riding and it is good at that. Now, if you're willing to spend 2 lakh rupees on a motorcycle, then the Svartpilen 250 brings forward a proposition which is not only unique with its oddball design, but also fun thanks to what it packs on the inside. That's all in the show today. Goodbye for now, and as always, ride safe.